for the past 20 years, I've been looking over the relationship between the time that the Civil War started and the time that Nightingale published her most important documents. And they were so close in time, I felt that it might be worth exploring whether there was some relationship between Nightingale and the Civil War. So I set out, very simply with a poster at a meeting, and then discovered that historical research is an unending use of library. You just, one after another, need to find the latest piece of information, whether it's a primary source or whether it's a citation or a book, and there's always new books coming out. So it seems unlike many other projects that I've been involved in. It's never ending. So I've been at it for 20 years, but feel that now that the 150th anniversary of the Civil War is upon us, that I should probably say what I have to say and then move on.